2,000 years ago, someone built a computer. Not a simple counting device. A machine with over 30 bronze gears that predicted eclipses, tracked planets, and calculated astronomical cycles. Modern scientists needed X-ray technology just to understand how it worked. And they still cannot fully replicate it. This is just one of many ancient technologies that defy everything we thought we knew about history. Batteries built before electricity was discovered. Structures aligned with impossible precision. Machines that should not exist for another 1,000 years. By the time we reach number 1, you will question everything you learned in school. 10. The Baghdad Battery. In 1938, archaeologists discovered a strange clay jar outside Baghdad. Inside was a copper cylinder and an iron rod. The configuration looked exactly like a primitive battery. When scientists filled replicas with acidic grape juice, they produced electricity. Roughly 2 volts of power flowed through the ancient design. The artifact dates back over 2,000 years. This was long before Alessandro Volta invented the modern battery. Long before anyone supposedly understood electrochemical reactions. What were ancient Iraqis powering? Some believe they used electricity for electroplating gold onto silver objects. The truth remains unknown. 9. The Lycurgus Cup. This 1600-year-old Roman chalice performs an impossible trick. When lit from the front, it appears green. When lit from behind, it glows blood red. Modern analysis revealed something stunning. The glass contains nanoparticles of gold and silver. Particles just 50 nanometers in diameter. Smaller than wavelengths of light. This is nanotechnology. The Romans achieved it accidentally or intentionally over a millennium, before we invented microscopes capable of seeing such particles. Scientists today use similar technology in medical diagnostics. 8. The Saqqara bird. In 1898, archaeologists found a small wooden object in an Egyptian tomb. It was labeled as a bird and forgotten in a museum basement for decades. Then aviation experts took another look. The proportions matched modern aircraft design. The tail was vertical like a plane's rudder. The wings had aerodynamic curves. Some engineers built scaled-up models. They claimed the design could glide effectively. Others remained skeptical. The artifact is over 2,000 years old. 7. Roman concrete. Modern concrete begins crumbling within 50 years. Roman concrete structures have survived over 2,000 years of earthquakes, waves, and weather. Scientists recently discovered why. Roman concrete contains volcanic ash that reacts with seawater. Instead of weakening, the material actually grows stronger over time. The Pantheon Dome remains the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. It has stood for nearly 2 millennia. Modern engineers still study it. After Rome fell, the recipe for this incredible concrete was lost for over 1,000 years. 6. The Antikythera mechanism. This is the world's first known computer. And it was built over 2,000 years ago. Divers discovered this corroded bronze device in a Greek shipwreck in 1900. For decades, nobody understood what it was. Then X-ray imaging revealed over 30 precision gears inside. It predicted eclipses. It calculated the timing of ancient Olympic Games. No similar technology appeared again for another 1,400 years. Whoever built this was centuries ahead of their time. And their knowledge vanished with them. Discovered in a shipwreck near Antikythera Island. Dates to approximately 100 BC. 5. The Voynich manuscript, this medieval book, has defeated every codebreaker who has ever studied it. For over 600 years, no one has deciphered a single word. The manuscript contains 240 pages of unknown script. Illustrations show plants that do not exist. Astronomical diagrams depict impossible constellations. Naked figures bathe in networks of green pipes. World War II codebreakers failed. Modern supercomputers failed. Linguists, historians, and cryptographers have all surrendered. Some believe it is an elaborate hoax. But analysis shows the text follows real linguistic patterns. Someone wrote something meaningful. We simply cannot understand it. 4. Pumapunku stone blocks high in the Bolivian mountains, perfectly cut stone blocks that weigh over 100 tons each. Their surfaces are smooth as glass. Their angles are precise to fractions of a degree. These blocks feature complex interlocking shapes. They fit together like massive puzzle pieces without mortar. Some cuts are so precise that razor blades cannot fit between joints. The Tiwanaku people built this site over 1,000 years ago. They had no written language, no iron tools, no wheels. 3. Greek fire. For 700 years, the Byzantine Empire held a weapon so powerful that enemies fled in terror at the mere sight of it. Greek fire. This liquid flame could burn on water. It stuck to ships and soldiers. Water did not extinguish it. Water made it spread faster. The formula was the Byzantine Empire's most guarded secret. Only the emperor and select engineers knew the ingredients. When Constantinople fell, the recipe died with it. 2. The Iron Pillar of Delhi. This iron pillar has stood in India for over 1600 years. It weighs over 6 tons. And it has never rusted. Modern iron would have crumbled to dust centuries ago. But this pillar shows only minor surface corrosion. Scientists have studied it for decades, trying to understand why. Analysis revealed the iron contains unusually high phosphorus content. This created a protective layer that shields the metal from moisture. Ancient Indian metallurgists achieved what modern steelmakers still struggle to replicate. They built it to last forever. 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza. After 4,500 years, this remains humanity's greatest architectural mystery. The Great Pyramid contains over 2 million stone blocks. Each block weighs between 2 and 80 tons. They are stacked with precision that modern lasers can barely match. The pyramid aligns almost perfectly to true north. It sits at the exact center of Earth's landmass. Its base is level to within less than 1 inch across 13 acres. Engineers have proposed ramps, levers, and counterweights. None fully explain how ancient Egyptians moved millions of tons of stone without wheels or iron tools. We can land rovers on Mars. You have just witnessed 10 ancient technologies that challenge our understanding of history. From mysterious batteries to impossible computers, our ancestors knew far more than we imagined. The Great Pyramid remains humanity's greatest unsolved engineering mystery. 4,500 years later, we still cannot fully explain how it was built. Which ancient technology shocked you the most? Do you believe lost civilizations possessed advanced knowledge? Could ancient peoples have had help from unknown sources? What other historical mysteries should we investigate? If this video fascinated you, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. Next time, we explore ancient cities that vanished without a trace. The truth behind their disappearance will shock you.